Welcome to Sam Official Tech, your go-to channel for all things related to groundbreaking technology and innovative machines. Today, we're exploring how advanced machinery is transforming the way we work and revolutionizing industries. From state-of-the-art automation in manufacturing to cutting-edge robotics in healthcare, machines are helping us achieve incredible efficiency and productivity. Let's dive in and discover how these machines are shaping the future of work. Artificial intelligence (AI) is redefining the modern workplace by automating complex processes and decision-making tasks. AI tools now handle everything from scheduling and data analysis to customer service, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic roles. This technology allows companies to operate more efficiently, improving workflow management and reducing operational costs, leading to faster growth. Warehousing has undergone a major transformation with the use of automated systems like robotic arms, conveyors, and automated guided vehicles (AGVs). These machines ensure that inventory is stored, sorted, and shipped with precision, minimizing errors and speeding up processes. Automated warehouses optimize the supply chain, helping businesses scale rapidly by meeting increasing customer demand. The agricultural sector has seen massive advancements with the introduction of autonomous farming equipment like driverless tractors, robotic harvesters, and drone monitoring systems. These machines help farmers increase crop yields by ensuring precise planting and harvesting while reducing labor costs. With automated technology, the agriculture industry can sustainably grow, feeding a larger global population with fewer resources. Drones are becoming essential tools on construction sites, aiding in everything from site surveys to real-time progress monitoring. Equipped with cameras and sensors, drones collect accurate data that improves decision-making and reduces the risk of errors. This technology ensures that construction projects are completed faster and more efficiently, enabling the industry to expand and take on larger projects with enhanced safety. Unlike traditional industrial robots, collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans to enhance productivity. Cobots are used for tasks like assembly, welding, and material handling in factories. These machines help manufacturers increase output while maintaining flexibility in production lines. The integration of cobots allows businesses to scale their operations and meet growing demand with minimal downtime. Retailers are leveraging machines like self-service kiosks, AI-powered recommendation engines, and automated checkout systems to streamline shopping experiences. These technologies not only speed up the purchasing process but also provide personalized customer interactions, boosting satisfaction. Automated retail solutions help businesses attract and retain customers, contributing to increased sales and growth in a highly competitive market. Robotic systems are transforming the healthcare industry by enabling highly precise surgeries that reduce recovery times and complications. Machines like the Da Vinci surgical system allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with enhanced accuracy. These innovations improve patient outcomes and make healthcare more efficient, allowing hospitals to serve more patients and grow their services. Logistics companies are turning to robots to handle the growing demand for faster deliveries. From autonomous vehicles to robotic picking systems in fulfillment centers, these machines ensure that goods are delivered quickly and efficiently. By reducing transit times and improving package handling, logistics robots help businesses. Meet consumer expectations, supporting business expansion in e-commerce and beyond. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the finance industry, with machines analyzing large datasets to provide real-time insights and predictions. AI-powered algorithms assist in tasks like risk management, fraud detection, and personalized financial advice. These innovations help financial institutions make smarter decisions, increase efficiency, and provide better services to their clients, which drives business growth. Food production is becoming more efficient and safe thanks to robotics. Automated machines now handle everything from sorting and packaging to quality control and sanitization. These machines ensure that food is processed quickly and meets high safety standards. As demand for food increases globally, robotics will be essential in scaling up production to meet consumer needs while maintaining quality and safety. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by allowing companies to produce prototypes and customized products with ease. This technology enables businesses to innovate faster by testing new designs and reducing the time to market for new products. 3D printing makes it possible for businesses to grow and remain competitive by offering bespoke solutions tailored to their customers' needs. The energy industry is evolving with the rise of smart grids that use machines to optimize energy distribution. These grids help manage supply and demand more effectively, reducing energy waste and lowering costs. Smart meters, sensors, and automated systems ensure that energy companies can scale their services sustainably, supporting the growth of renewable energy sources while improving efficiency across the grid. Many businesses are now using AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to provide instant customer service. These machines can handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously, offering real-time support to users around the clock. Automated customer service solutions improve customer engagement, reduce response times, and allow businesses to grow by providing efficient support that enhances customer satisfaction. Smart home devices, from voice-controlled assistants to automated security systems, are transforming the way people interact with their homes. These machines offer convenience and energy efficiency, allowing users to control everything from lighting to appliances with a simple voice command. As demand for smart home technology grows, businesses in the home automation market are experiencing rapid expansion. Drone delivery is set to revolutionize the logistics industry by making last-mile deliveries faster and more efficient. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing drones to deliver packages to customers' doorsteps. By using drones for deliveries, businesses can reduce transportation costs and reach more customers, especially in remote areas, contributing to growth in the e-commerce sector. Telemedicine platforms powered by AI and machine learning are expanding access to healthcare, especially in underserved areas. Machines facilitate remote consultations, diagnostics, and even treatment plans, enabling healthcare providers to reach patients wherever they are. This technology is helping the healthcare industry grow by making medical services more accessible and efficient, especially in regions with limited healthcare infrastructure. Machine learning algorithms are helping marketers create more targeted and effective advertising campaigns. By analyzing consumer behavior data, machines can predict preferences and tailor content accordingly. This personalized approach increases customer engagement and improves conversion rates, allowing businesses to grow their audience and maximize their marketing ROI. And that's a wrap for today's video on how machines are helping us grow our work across different industries. From autonomous robots to AI-powered systems, the future is bright, and businesses are scaling faster than ever before thanks to these incredible technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to *Sam Official Tech * for more updates on the latest in tech and machines. Hit that notification bell, so you don't miss out on our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.